How to create shorts from existing YouTube videos. So first you will need to open up the YouTube application and then hit your profile logo on the bottom right, and then scroll down and click on your videos, and from here and then select the video that you want to basically use for shorts, or basically remix or create shorts from. So for example, this video. And from the bottom right here, you should scroll on these buttons. You should be able to see a remix button right here if you allow remixing for the video. So in the video settings, basically you should allow remixing for this to work. For example, as you can see right here for this video, I have a remix button. If I scroll to the right, then you want to hit the remix button and then select edit into short. And then you can basically pick a 15 seconds period or part of the video to basically display in the short. After adjusting this and you're happy with the result, you can basically press the done button and just wait for this to finish processing the short. And once it's done, you will be able to preview your short like this, and then you can basically press next, and it will ask you for details to publish your short. And once you fill out all the details and change all the settings that you want to change, you can just hit upload short, and this will upload the short to your YouTube account. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.